What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money online with Clickbank as a beginner here in 2019. And this method will most likely you'll be able to use this method in 2020, 2021, and go and so forth. Okay. But we're just focused on the fastest way to make money online with Clickbank without a website, okay? And that's beginner friendly. So before I get into the content, welcome to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, if you are not, go ahead and subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming up with constant and consistent content teaching you how to create the freedom life you desire. Okay. I'm coming out with the latest tactics and strategies on how to create passive income, how to create a affiliate marketing business, and how to make that affiliate marketing business sustainable. Okay, so go ahead, subscribe right now, and hit the notification bell. Okay, guys. So Clickbank is, if you don't know, it is a marketplace where affiliate marketers like yourself and like myself can log on and create an account to get products where multiple vendors are selling to affiliate marketers. Well, not selling, but are giving us affiliate marketers options to promote to a particular audience, right? And so I'm not going to go into detail on Clickbank, because if you're already researching this, you should know a little bit about it, right? So what you need to do is, once you log on into Clickbank, you'll create an account, right? You create an account here, and then you put in your personal information, your banking information, and your account information. Don't worry, there are multiple languages that you can choose from, as well as countries. So you can be from anywhere and still be a member with Clickbank and sign up with Clickbank to start making money online today and without a website. Okay, just put your information in, as well as your banking information. Don't worry, Clickbank is not a scam. Nothing to worry about there. Just go ahead and fill it out and then sign up for an account. Okay, and then once you sign up for an account, what you're going to do is you'll log in. I'm going to log into one of my test accounts that I show to people for educational purposes. You log in here and you go to Marketplace, and in the Marketplace you'll have a bunch of categories that you can choose from. You can choose from any one of these categories, right? And we'll pick fitness for this video, just health and fitness. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick a product that someone else has created that meets a need out there in the market, and we're going to find which one is a good product for us to promote, and we're going to promote it to a specific audience. Okay. So for example, let's pick flat belly fix here. Keep in mind, guys, you want to make sure that your products are good. You want to vet them thoroughly, make sure they're not scams, make sure they really do give the audience results, give what they promised the audience. And review their founder, review, see if they have any product reviews, etc. Okay, so make sure you vet those products thoroughly. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to just use this product, flat belly fix. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll click promote, and we'll click generate hop links, and then we're going to copy the clipboard, or you can also just copy it right here, right click or Control C. You'll copy that link there, and this is the link that we're going to send our traffic or our audience, right? So what is the fastest way we can get a sale here on Clickbank as a beginner? We don't have a website, we don't have an audience already, we don't have an email list, etc. Right? So the fastest way, or one of the fastest ways, will be YouTube. And no, I'm not saying go and create a channel. You can, that would be great. That'd be great for your business, and for your long-term business, but we want to get a sale fast. So I'm going to show you how to do that with YouTube today. Okay, so our product, Fat Belly Fix, what do we think our audience is about? What do we think our audience is looking at on a daily basis on YouTube? Probably fitness, health, keto diet, some kind of diet plan, But we're just going to look at the fitness space. Okay. And we have here Brooks Fitness, cool guy. He's got a lot of great content. Kaylee Varney. Let's see. Workout music service. Leslie. Let's try to find a subscriber. Oh, this one here. She's probably Georgie Stevenson. Want to be able to do this? Okay. Well, that's not really fitness though. We want to find someone that not too big, but that has enough of an audience base that we can get a lot of traffic from. Let's see. No. Female fitness motivation. This is good. Even though it's kind of, I don't know if you want to call it ratchet or whatnot, but we're going to pick this one here. I don't want this video to be too long, so just make sure you're picking a channel and that is, worthy of this product, right? And so what we can do is we have a channel. Channel is Ultimate Fitness Motivation. Let's go to this channel. And what we want to do is we want to reach out to this. Let me pause this. We want to reach out to this, the owner of this channel. And we want to, let's go to about. Okay. They don't have their contact information, so we might not be able to use them. Let's go and check out some more channels in fitness. How about we do workout videos, or let's be more specific. Workout routines, or yeah, so workout routines. 2.4 million. Keep looking. Obi Vincent, he's a good guy too. Okay. Let's see if he has his contact information for business purposes. About, here it is. So you come here to your details for business inquiries. You view email address. I'm not a robot. Submit. Right. And here's his email address. What we're going to do is we're going to say something like, hey, Obi, I have this great product that I think your subscribers will love to check out. If you don't mind, to put this link in one of the descriptions of your videos, it would be great. Let me know what your prices are or how I can get this done. And bam, that's it. And what you can do is you can reach out to multiple channels around the niche or category of this product, and then ask people who have a good size of subscribers, not too many, but a good list of subscribers and nice engagement on their videos, and ask them how much it will cost, or that you'll give them $30 a week or a certain amount of money a week to list your link, to put your link in their description, so that when someone comes and views their video, they are likely to click, check out the description and click your link, and bam, you made a sale. So guys, that's just my high level rundown on how you can make the fastest way you can make a sale with Clickbank online as a beginner. Okay. There's multiple ways you can do this. If you want to check out a detailed training and course, check out the course in the link in the description. It'll be the #1 link. Check it out. It shows you step by step what you need to do to start an affiliate marketing business and be successful in it. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss the content that I'm coming out with, teaching you how to be great and live the life that you want to live. All right. Kalen Burn out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.